Hey everybody, it is so good to see you. I know, it's been a while, but life gets busy and you just gotta do what you gotta do. But I just wanna say thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you coming and watching my videos. And for those who returned and came back to see this one today, I wanna thank you as well. Now, I just wanna stop for a moment and say that life is not always about us. The way we feel is not always the important thing. So many people are going through so many different things. We have to learn to be kind, even if it doesn't feel good to us. So I just want to say a shout out to a special friend. I want you to know that I miss you and I love you very much. Okay. All right, now stick around so I can show you about my latest and greatest find. Let's go. All right, you guys, I am super excited about this one. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Bladeless neck fan. Yes, there's nothing fancy about it. It's super simple, but hopefully we'll find a whole lot of bang in this little box. Okay, so the box says it's lightweight. It comes with 4 speeds. You can use it hands-free. It has a Type-C charging port. And get this, guys, it is bladeless, so my long locks won't get tangled up in it, okay? Watch it. I heard you laughing. Okay, so check this out, though. It will last from 3.5 to 21 hours, depending on what speed you use it on. You know what? I've been so excited about sharing this with you. I forgot to ask, how are you doing today? How's everything going? What do you think of this video so far? If you like it, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so that's my Type-C charging cord that I'm opening up there with a USB attachment on the opposite end. So tell me, what sent you searching for a neck fan today? If you're like me, you're just really tired of being hot and having hot flashes. Or was it my thumbnail that encouraged you to stop by and take a look-see inside? Drop me a line below and let me know. Okay, so here you can see this is where the fans are. And also you can see that it's stretchable and bendable. And it has rubber on the neck part, the top of the neck part, so that it will not move when it's on your neck. And it's soft as well. And that is where the on and off button is. And as you can see, the blades are on the top there, and you put it around your neck with the blades facing up, and the breeze blows up towards your face. All right, now, so I showed you up close what it looks like. Now let's just try and see how this baby works. Okay, so there's a button over here that turns it on, and you push it one time and it will go on and off. Can you hear that? Can you hear? See, it goes on and off. It just gives you a breeze, comes on and goes off again. Now if you push it twice, it'll stay on. And if you push it again, it gets higher. Oh, and one more time. Oh, that was the highest one. Let's do it one more time, okay? One time, goes on and off. And press it again. And it stays on. Press it again. And it gives you a cool breeze that you won't believe. It feels so good. So for all you people, ladies with hot flashes, or men with hot flashes, or it's just a hot day, it just cools you off. I get the chills sometimes, so I have to turn it back off. But this is an amazing find. And if you want one for yourself, I will leave a link down in the description box. And if you like my video, go ahead and click that like button, share button, and don't forget, most of all, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.